Jeff, you're dealing with this siding. It's in pretty tough shape.
Yeah, it's in pretty bad shape. We got probably about 60% of this we need to replace based on the Board of Architecture review, based on their mandate.
So they come out and they look at it and they say, you got to save 60% of it no matter what you do.
Correct.
So I guess the biggest problem is getting it off, but matching this profile. Now, up north we have this, it's actually called a novelty siding.
Correct. Dutch lap siding is what we call it down here. Yep. But yeah, it's an off-the-shelf product. As
really?
You can see
it's
here.
Off the shelf.
Yep.
So the old looks like it's a pine also, heart pine maybe.
Correct. The new is southern pine, pressure treated.
Pressure treated.
Primed.
Primed on all 6 sides. How's the profile match up? Oh wow, that matches up pretty good. So obviously you guys must use this a lot down here.
Yep, it's used quite a bit.
All right. So it looks like there was a window here and you had some short pieces from the door to this window, and you removed all these short ones here from between the windows. That's pretty good. You're going to try to remove them and save them.
Correct. We're going to set them aside, and then we'll use these smaller pieces to feather in with the rot damage and termite damage on the side of the house.
I see. And then take this new stuff and run it from window to door so you have no joints.
Correct.
Now what you want to do is you want to get this siding off and you want to salvage it. If you look right here, you can see the siding is face nailed, and it's nailed up kind of high. The reason they nail it up high is 2 reasons. Number one, when you nail it up high, it holds the siding tight against the siding below. But it's also important that this nail doesn't go through this piece of siding right here, because as the wood expands and contracts, you want this piece to slide on this rabbet right here. Now you can take a nail set and drive these nails through, but the chances of the siding being split are pretty good. The best way to remove the nails is cut them. All right, now that we've got some of the siding removed, Scotty and I are going to install a new piece. Now the house isn't level and the siding isn't level, but we want to install it straight and true with the existing siding. So the old siding that was left, we've inserted a new piece in between them, and this will run long. So Scotty can nail that. And then what you're going to do, next piece will cut to go from this piece to the door, and that will all line up. So then you're going to have a weave where you have old, new, work your way up the wall with some new, and weave the rest of the house. Well, Jeff, you got your work cut out for you here.
We do. We probably have another week or so on the front of this house just to get this siding all tied in.
Yeah, and it's going to look good. Let's put one right there, Scotty.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.